Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about two Marc Jacobs bags. If you love Marc Jacobs bags, then welcome to my channel. I have several videos and a playlist on Marc Jacobs bags. I absolutely love Marc Jacobs handbags. So come on back to my channel, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's start talking about these two bags. So the first bag that I wanted to talk about is my Marc Jacobs circular bag right here. I absolutely love this bag. I will say that now Marc Jacobs has also updated, or I won't say updated, but he's put out another circular type bag, and it's called the Rewind bag. So I absolutely love the look of the Marc Jacobs Rewind bag. I do have the circular bag already right here, so I probably won't pick up the Marc Jacobs Rewind bag because it's a very similar bag, and there's no sense in having two of the same type bags in your handbag collection. But I would recommend, because I saw it in some of my store vlogs when I was out and about and shopping, I did see now they have the Marc Jacobs Rewind bag, and that bag is slamming, you guys. I absolutely love this bag as well. This circular bag is so adorably cute. It's like, just like how all the companies were coming out with the heart bag, and Coach did a heart bag, Kate Spade did a heart bag, Steve Madden did a heart bag, Chanel did a heart bag. All of the companies have done a circular type bag, whether it's the Rewind bag or a circle bag. So this is Marc Jacobs' version of the circle bag, and I absolutely love it. It's really nice because I can also wear this crossbody. It comes with a lovely crossbody strap. Or if I want to, I could remove the crossbody strap and just use this bag top handle. It's so adorably cute when you take the straps off and use this bag top handle. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and take the straps off and show you what I'm talking about. So the straps are really easy to come off, you know, and when I go ahead and remove them, I can just carry this cute little number right here as a top handle bag. So let me just go ahead and remove the straps and show you ladies what I'm talking about. Okay. Here is the strap removed, and here is this lovely bag as a top handle. I love when my zippers are in the middle like that, and it evens out the bag when you have the zippers in the middle like that, not off to the side. I like the way they look when they're in the middle like that. You can wear them pulled all the way to either side, but I absolutely love this bag, and it does hold a lot. You can get a lot in here with this opening. The opening is pretty wide, so when you open it, you can pull the flap up like that, and you can fit a lot in here. You can fit your keys, you can fit card holders, you can even fit a full size. If it's a smaller full size wallet, it can fit inside this bag. So this is what the bag looks like. I want to give you a full 360 of the bag. This is what the bag looks like. And the next little beauty by Marc Jacobs that I wanted to talk about is this baby right here, my Marc Jacobs snapshot bag. Now this bag is slamming. This bag is bussin', slamming, all those beautiful words, all those hip words that people say today, whatever you want to call it, the it bag. This bag is so cute. I remember when this bag started to get popular, I had to have this bag in my collection. I was seeing everybody with them, you guys. And I have to stress that I love authentic. I saw so many replicas of this bag on the street. This I purchased at the Marc Jacobs outlet. Of course, you girls know I only get down with authentic bags. So I absolutely love this particular Marc Jacobs snapshot bag. This is the DTM version. So what the DTM version of the Marc Jacobs bags means, it's dyed to match. DTM is an acronym, DTM for dyed to match. So they dyed the hardware. The hardware is the same color of the bag. So if you look at it, it kind of just goes over really smoothly. Some of the snapshot bags that are not dyed to match or not DTM have different color hardware: silver, gold, smoke, gunmetal hardware. This dyed to match version of the bag has the same wine burgundy color hardware. So you notice that it has it on the straps. It has it, every little hardware piece has the dyed to match hardware. Now I will say that I've had this bag for a while in my collection, not quite a year yet, but I've had it for several months, and I have noticed that a little bit of the hardware right here has faded with the dye to match. A little bit of the, it could be from the, you know, the weather or the elements of the weather, or it could just be from normal wear and tear, you know. But with the DTM version of the bag, eventually with time, it will fade a little bit in some areas. That doesn't bother me at all. That's just part of the normal wear and tear of a bag. That also happened to me with my Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Love crossbodies. After a while, the gunmetal hardware, or after a while the hardware, if it's black on black, it's similar dyed to match. After a while, the hardware will start to tarnish or change colors. That doesn't bother me at all. I absolutely love the snapshot bag. This was like an it bag for me. I had to have it when it came out. It says Marc Jacobs at the top. It has a back slim pocket that you could put a debit card in, but your other items like your cell phone and your keys, something bulky, will have to go on the interior of the bag because it can't fit in that small side pocket. However, I absolutely love this bag crossbody. It's such a cute bag to wear crossbody. So I love this one in my collection. Now I did want to talk about Marc Jacobs. I love the brand Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs bags are so mainstream. They have a Marc Jacobs outlet in almost every outlet across America. All the premium outlets just about have a Marc Jacobs store. I wanted to talk about Marc Jacobs because you see I have right here my lovely Chanel flap. I have my lovely La Moire Chanel flap, and I love this bag in my collection. And I love high-end luxury bags, but I also love contemporary handbags. Chanel, I love it. However, I'm going to be the first to admit I don't always have deep pockets for Chanel. Sometimes I have to have some contemporary bags in my collection. This is an authentic Chanel La Moire flap, and this bag is beautiful, but it put me out, you know, a pretty penny. And because I love authentic, I prefer to sometimes save up towards a big purchase like a Chanel flap, and then sometimes I prefer to shop contemporary brands that are just as good. There isn't any Chanel outlet near me. There is a Chanel store downtown where I live. However, the outlet mall has a lot of mainstream stores with contemporary brands. You go to any outlet mall across America, you're gonna see men driving to stop and pick up Hugo Boss. You're gonna see men and women shopping at Ralph Lauren. You're gonna see men and women shopping at Coach. You're gonna see men and women shopping and pulling up. You're gonna see hundreds of cars and vehicles pulling up to that outlet mall to shop at contemporary brand stores. So there's no shame and there's nothing wrong with contemporary line bags. They're just as good as Luxe bags. And when I'm in the store and I'm in line at Marc Jacobs making a purchase, I feel happy. I feel so, you know, happy that I'm able to spend my dollars and my coins at Marc Jacobs. When I'm in line at a Marc Jacobs store, I feel happy and proud that I'm in line at a Marc Jacobs store. Just like when I'm in line at Louis Vuitton or when I'm in line at Chanel, I feel just as happy. I'm not gonna lie, of course I feel great when I spend and I purchase a Chanel bag or a Louis Vuitton bag, but I feel just as good when I'm purchasing an authentic Marc Jacobs bag. So for me here on the lvluxegirl channel, I just wanted to talk about contemporary and luxe, and I wanted to talk about how I love both lines of bags in my handbag collection. I hope you enjoyed my video on Marc Jacobs and on contemporary and luxe bags, like contemporary bags like Marc Jacobs and luxe bags like Chanel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos, and I'll see you girls in tomorrow's video. Bye!